What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Quick Fix. I'm going to show you this really quick fix for Adobe Premiere today for if you're not getting audio. Now, as you can see here, we have a clip that if we play it, there's levels, but you hear nothing on the track on this video. So what is it? Now, most people are going to tell you to go to Preferences and go to Audio Hardware. Okay, and once this window loads up, you're going to get to pick what audio output source you want. And you'll see you have your input and output. Now, I have my speakers selected here for the purpose of this video. I'm going to change it to my Scarlett 2i2, so it's my headphones. Okay, let's close that, click OK, and let's hit play again. And we still have no sound. Now, that is the most common thing people are going to tell you on Google, on YouTube to change. But if you're like me and you have a boatload of audio sources, you know, something that looks like this, and you have input and output cables coming from every which direction, there's another thing that it might be. If you come down to playback and you look here at the audio device, you can see here I have NDI output. NDI is an over-the-network video stream thing. You want to change that to Adobe DV or Adobe Desktop Audio. Probably Adobe Desktop Audio would be your best bet. So click that, and now let's try it out. Home browser, and use that so it doesn't come through on your live stream to Twitch or whatever. There you go. There, that's it. That is how you can possibly fix a silent track with audio that's not playing audio for you. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Trying to get to 1,000 subs. You guys are killing it. We're at 900 and some change. And please, actually, do leave comments. I do want to know if you guys like this content and if you want more of it. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.